We had some fog around this morning. It was a frosty start, the coldest night since last spring in parts of Northern Ireland and Wales. But further east, still severe flood warnings in force, meaning a threat to life. And it's because we've had a month and a half worth of rain in some parts of eastern and northeastern Scotland in the last 3 days, and also parts of eastern England have been quite wet. Now, for the next 24 hours, you can still see some rain in eastern areas, and then more comes in from the west. So once again, we are going to see 15 to 20 millimetres of rain in the next 24 hours. This weather front, though, in the east might well be creeping a little further westwards, but it's tending to peter out. The rain coming into Northern Ireland becomes the main player, so the sunshine turning hazy, the wind picking up here, and rain before the end of the day, but some hazy sunshine in between. It's a rather grey picture, still some drizzly rain further east. But it does look dry for today's Rugby League World Cup finals, at least, with some brightness around early afternoon before darkness falls. And then as we head through the latter part of the evening, that rain from Northern Ireland pushes across western Scotland, western fringes of England and Wales, and it will make its way across much of the mainland through the night. So with more cloud, wind and rain around, it doesn't look quite as chilly. Just bear in mind, again, through today and tonight, still blowing a gale across the Northern Isles. That's been relentless, those gale force winds for the last 3 or 4 days. Very rough conditions indeed here. Now, we've got that rain first thing in the morning, a wet start in the east again, but it should clear through, unlike the rain we've had recently. Then it's a day of sunny spells and scattered heavy showers, 1 or 2 rumbles of thunder as well. Something wintry over the hills, even with the rain moving through actually during the coming night. It is that chilly, the air. As we go towards Monday, we've got the next low pressure systems coming in, which look set to give gales potentially across southern areas through the Channel. We need to keep an eye on that, plus the amount of rain for England and Wales in particular, perhaps Northern Ireland and southern Scotland. It may not reach northern and eastern areas for a time, but again, feeling quite chilly, particularly given there could be some winteriness again over the hills in the north. It's a really unsettled looking weather picture, as you can see, as we move right the way through next week. And as ever, we'll keep you up to date.